Alright, so do you want to add a story, snap, or spotlight to your public Snapchat profile so that more people can view your story? So for that, let's launch the app. You can live take a photo right then there, or a video, or you can just select one from your device's gallery. And then just hit send to. Now, if it's a video, a spotlight option will show up, which is defaultly public. You can either post it in there or post it as your public story. But if it's a photo, you can just tap on my public story option, and then you can choose the visibility duration between 24 hours to a week so that it reaches to more and more people and they can watch it. And then just hit the send button at the bottom right corner. Apart from that, if you go to your profile, from there to your public profile, all your recently uploaded public story and spotlight will appear in here. And from this section as well, you can tap on post and directly post a public snap to your Snapchat account. And that's all. Thanks for watching.